Hello guys, I am back with another new tutorial. I am going to show you how to make the infographic tutorials in slide animation in just PowerPoint 2007. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Here, I am already taken a blank slide. So first take a top cornered rectangle and drag it here. Now go to format, select rotate, select flip vertical. Now select oval shape and place it over here. Now select rectangle, select shape fill and select white color. Now select shape outline and select white color. Now click on the bottom arrow. Now select shadow. Here set transparency to 77%, size 110, blur to 10, angle 0 degrees, distance 0. Now click on close. Now select another cornered rectangle and drag it here. Now place it exactly on the top of the previous rectangle. Now click on Send to Back. Now select rectangle and oval shape. Select shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, select any color as you wish. Now click on text button and type some text here. Select the text, change font style, font size and font color and place it on the top of the cone rectangle as shown. Now select another text and type heading. Change font size, color and text and place it on the bottom rectangle. Now click on Insert, select Clip Art, type bulb and click on Go. Select one bulb image, make it resize and place it on the bottom cone rectangle. Now click on Format, select Shape Outline and change the color. Now select all by dragging the right click. Now copy and paste them. Repeat the process as shown. Now close clip art. Now change the color of the top corner rectangle. Now let's change the color of plan B, plan C, plan D, upper cone rectangle and sphere. Now select upper cone rectangle by pressing shift, select sphere. Go to format, shape fill and fill the color. Repeat the process for plan C and plan D. Now select the bulb, go to shape outline and select the outline color that you want. Now, now select the sphere and by pressing shift select the bottom cone rectangle and group them by pressing group. Repeat this same process for plan B, plan C and plan D. Now go to animation, select custom animation. Now select the bottom corner rectangle, go to add effect, entrance and select fly in. Now select top corner rectangle, go to add effect, entrance and select fly in. On start, select with previous. Now select plan A, go to add effect, entrance, zoom. On click on start, click after previous. Speed fast. Now select heading, go to add effect, entrance, zoom. On start, select after previous, speed fast. Now select light bulb. Go to add effect, entrance, select zoom. Start, select after previous, speed fast. Repeat the same animations to plan B, plan C and plan D as shown. Now select bottom corner rectangle of plan B. Go to add effect, entrance, fly in. On start, select after previous. Now select top corner rectangle, add effect, entrance, fly in. On start with previous. Now select plan B. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. Start after previous, speed fast. Now select heading. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. On start, select after previous, speed fast. Now select heading. Now select light bulb, go to add effect, entrance, zoom. On start, select after previous, speed fast. Repeat the same steps to plan C and plan D. Now click on slideshow. This is the infographic PowerPoint animation. Look like this. For more videos on PowerPoint Animation 2007 version, please subscribe to our channel NISHA Computer Academy. Thanks for watching.